Craving something creamy, tangy, and just a little spicy? This Mexican corn salad is calling your name. Let's get started. You'll need lettuce, corn, mayo, lime juice, chili, coriander, crumbled cheese, and red onion. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Separate the lettuce leaves and rinse thoroughly. Peel the red onion and slice it thinly for a nice crunch and flavor. Then slice the chili as spicy as you like it. Now peel the corn, add some butter to a pan, then cook the corn until it's golden and beautifully charred. That's where all the flavor comes in. Once the corn is perfectly charred and golden, remove from the pan and let it cool. Then, carefully slice the kernels away. They're sweet and smoky. Cut the avocado in half. Remove the stone, then slice the flesh into cubes. Combine the red onion, chili powder, smoked paprika, sliced chili, mayonnaise, lime juice, salt, pepper, avocado, and the charred corn. Gently spoon the corn salad into each lettuce cup, a perfect balance of crunch and creaminess in every bite. Now for the final touch, sprinkle the crumbled cheese and fresh coriander on top, giving it that signature fresh flavor. Save this video and follow for more recipes.